The TCRT 5000 Vishay sensor-based line tracking sensor is a type of infrared reflectance sensor and is used in combination in line tracking robots. It is to be mounted on the bottom of the wheeled robot. The line tracking sensor works by detecting reflected light coming from its own infrared LED, and by measuring the amount of reflected infrared light, it can detect light to dark transitions, lines, or even objects directly in front of it. This practical module consists of a Schmidt-Trigger 74HC14D integrated circuit. This circuit is calibrated for a distance that we will measure soon. Its output is a 0 to 5 volt DC digital signal, on or off, but it's important to understand that it is vulnerable to intense nearby lights. It has a hole for M3 screws for mounting and features a slim and versatile design. Its status LED only indicates the output and does not have a power indicator. Once the module is connected, it doesn't seem to be on. A simple stimulus, such as bringing an object close to the two LEDs of the sensor, is enough. One of these LEDs emits an infrared signal, and the other is designed to receive it. Once the received signal is intense enough, it triggers a state change in its output signal. Now we are going to test it with white and black colors, and you'll see that it can sense the difference. It is tested gradually until the proper stimulus distance is found. When it is stimulated, we will see 5 volts DC, which occurs when something white is in front of it, and when there is something dark, we will see 0 volts DC. In this test, we found that it reaches approximately 4 centimeters or slightly less than 2 inches. Thanks for watching. Please comment if there's something specific you'd like to learn. Remember to subscribe, activate the bell, and give us a like. See you next time.